Hi everyone, Stuart here. Relatively quiet news flow for the North American market today. So I just thought I'd turn my attention to two currency pairs we don't often talk about. One's the South African Rand and the other one is the Swedish krona. Both of them closed at key levels or significant levels on Friday. The dollar perked up against both of them following the strong NFP numbers, headline numbers. Here, the Rand, here, we're going back to the elections on May the 8th, the South African elections on May the 8th. We slipped under the 1420 that had, level that had previously been a key support level. We drifted into that zone, and then we picked up as the dollar gained some momentum into the beginning of June here. So we rallied up to another psychological level of 15. Since then, the dollar's weakened on expectations of rate cuts further in the year from the Fed, and we moved all the way down through the 20, through the 50, through the 200 period, and back into this zone that we'd seen post-election back in May. Slipped all the way last week. Thursday we actually spiked under the key 14 level, so from 15 all the way down to 14. And then on Friday we broke back over the 200 period here on the strong NFP numbers, but still capped by this 1420 level, which we'd run has been our top today, and we've come back down again. So this key zone is still in play here, but obviously here where the moving averages here are aligned to the downside. So although we've broken over the 200 period here, we've still got the 20 and the 50 up here and the 200 down here. So although we're back over or we were over the 200 period on Friday, it looks like the downtrend may still be in place because there's strong resistance up here at 1435. So downside play still in play, literally there. And the other one I was talking about was the Swedish krona, which again we very rarely talk about. But again, it's another one that's been in following the Fed down. Basically, we obviously had the Riksbank as well earlier this month, but. From its top here in the middle of May, this has been trending down quite nicely again, and then another floor formed here, not necessarily a channel here, but a floor formed here at 925.50 a week before last, and we've sort of been ticking up, and then a big strong candle. This time we're breaking up to the upside. So here we're again, the moving average aren't line. You just see the 200 down here, just at the bottom of the chart there. But we're over the 20 and we're over the 50. So more of a significant break here for the dollar against the krona. But again, it's capped by this trend line here. So this week, if we break over this downtrend here, we may have some sort of more momentum for this pair going up to the upside. So that's all for now. Just thought I'd pump those out. Some key strong moves on Friday following the NFP number. Trade carefully. We'll see you all at the webinar tomorrow, and I say take care till then. All the best. Bye bye.